If someone asked me why I wanted to go into teaching, I think the main reason would be my love of my subject, which is Welsh. I have passion and love for languages in general, but also especially for the Welsh language. And it would be my dream to pass that passion and love for the Welsh language to pupils and children in Wales. I think that's the main reason why I went into teaching.
I love maths. Maths has been my favourite subject since as far as I can remember, to be honest. And when I found out that I'm good at it and I want to be able to be the kind of person who can help others enjoy maths as much as I do. So that's why I thought that's what I want to do. I want to go into teaching. I want to be able to let people enjoy maths as much as I do, and maybe make a career out of it in their future by going into STEM field or anything that they want.
Yeah, I definitely agree with Caddy with how she has a passion for the Welsh language as well. I'm Welsh speaking, born and raised in Wales, and I want to carry on and boost the use of the Welsh language when we go into teaching. Especially as I'm a humanities teacher, I want to put more of a boost on Welsh history as well, and to try and educate the next generation of who they are, where they've come from, and being able to boost the Welsh language along the way as well.